Hi Capricorn, welcome to your reading. This is a timeless reading that we'll be doing for you guys. This is your past, present, future spread. We'll be drawing cards from the Oracle as well as Tarot. Cappies, this is Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus or Jupiter. Please take whatever message resonates the most with you, whatever doesn't, allow it to go. You would know when the message is meant for you. Alright, Cappies, let's see what's going on for you guys. Take a deep breath in. Feel in all the love, all the peace, all the harmony that's all around us and waiting for us to tap into. Breathe in the divine consciousness that we ourselves are, our true being, our true nature of love, of peace, of absolute stillness. Meditate as much as possible. This is for my viewers that I would always encourage you to spend time with yourself. That place of solitude is absolute bliss, is absolute bliss. It is something that I'm sure the viewers of my channel would be spiritual seekers. Breathe into all the love. It's all around us. Allow things to flow without resistance. Cappies, this message is for you guys. You get not for you, then we have higher power, and then we have clean it up. Something, your higher self, whatever you consider as the higher power, God or your higher self, or whatever it is, something is asking you to heal before you move forward. If there was an ending of some sort, just know that there was some divine intervention there. Some lessons to be learned, some cycles to be cleaned up. Something that no longer belongs to you, no longer serves for your highest good, is going out of your life. Alright, Cappies, let's see the message from the divine, your past, present, future. Cappies, this is for you. Okay, overall energy of the reading is the 5 of Swords. All right, Cappies, the overall energy for the reading is the 5 of Swords. You could be in this place where you feel that you lost something or you don't deserve something. It's all in your mind, Capricorn. It's all in your mind. The feeling of loss is coming from your mind here. You could be self-sabotaging by thinking that you no longer deserve it. In the past, you have the Emperor, the 8 of Pentacles, the Page of Cups. You were working on something putting in your heart and soul all the effort possible. You were working on something. I guess you were keeping in mind an output here, or for example, if I'm giving in this much and I should receive this much. I think that's the case there in the past. Cappies, you worked because you wanted to receive. You did not work because you liked to do it. I'm sure some of you liked to do it as well, but there were expectations that it should bring in this much of result, quantifiable result, which is not like there was a set standard that you had, I feel. In your present, you have the Judgment, the Eight of Wands, and the Sun. There is some decision, I think, that somebody else is taking to come towards you right now, and that's going to bring in a lot of happiness in between the two of you in the relationship. Whatever it is that you've been wanting to hear, the answer is coming. In the future, you have the Two of Cups, the Knight of Wands, and the Four of Cups. There is a relationship there is a partnership that is there for you in the future, but I think that you may be stopping yourself because of the past experiences you've had. Something is telling you to go forward, whereas something is pulling you back. There is this back and forth energy here. You may be fearing that this won't last long either, like your past relationship or relationships may not have lasted. You may be, just know that it's time for you to heal. Yes, definitely. It's time for you to clean up and then move forward, Capricorn. Clean up what is it that's holding you back from moving towards something that's an equal, balanced relationship. When you have the opportunity to heal yourself, because otherwise it will come out in a relationship so beautiful that it might just end up in ruins. And you wouldn't want to do that. So heal yourself, Cappies. Get out of it, because your present is so beautiful that don't let your past affect your present. The past is only in your mind. Whatever it is that we are doing now has to be done with all our heart and soul. Like this child here. Be open to receiving, open to giving. Tap into that highest vibration of yourself, Cappies. Your soul will tell you. There's a beautiful relationship waiting for you, Cappy. Clean up the past. Heal from it. Yes, that's the message here. Let's pull out one card from... Let's see what the Divine has to guide you with. Capricorn. One message from Divine, please. One message from the Universal Consciousness. One message for Capricorn here. One message to guide my Cappies here, please. One message of Divine Consciousness. Cappies, let's see what the message is. Pratyahara, let's see what that is. Let me read that out for you. 8 stages of yoga, control of the senses. Recently, you've let go of some distractions in your life and everything has upgraded since. You've realized that holding on to things, food, stimulants, or people only keeps you anchored to the physical world. Truth lies in letting go of all that is not you. the daily coffee, the piece of chocolate, social media addiction, or need to buy. Those were once such a part of your identity but have now diminished. This is the time to go deeper into pratyahara and let go of any attachments, even those that are less obvious. Continue to meditate, which draws you immediately into pratyahara and illuminates what it is you are holding on to. It is only from here that you can listen to the truth within and act accordingly. Control the senses, control of your senses. Take absolute control and move forward into the state. Integrate, Cappies, integrate and move forward into this place of absolute bliss that we have come from. Just merge into yourself, unite with yourself. That's the message for you, Cappies. I hope this resonates with all of you watching. Please take what resonates and leave what doesn't. Alright, Cappies, that's it for you. Until next time, see you soon. Bye bye.